guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I have a really good treat for you today. I had to go to Hobby Lobby just to pick up some eraser, a color wheel, and some ribbon. And when I got in there, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this. They have stuff that's 75% off, and I had heard that they did. But I figured it was gone by now. It is not. They still have quite a bit left. And what is not 75% off is 50% off. So, but you have to go up and down the aisles. So let me show you what I found. I could not believe it, okay? The first thing I found is this. I think this is adorable. I love this. Look how big that is. And it was regularly $79.99. And I hope you can see it was clearance down to $19.99. I love this. I cannot wait to start doing DIYs. I guess they know that I'm trying to decorate my craft room. I don't know, it's unbelievable. Okay, then I found this. And this is cute. Don't get me wrong, I like it, but I have something else in mind, and it was on clearance for $4.99. I mean, and it was regular $19.99, and then that's the clearance price. I mean, the frame itself would be worth that, so I picked that up, and I only went in there for ribbon and erasers, and like I said, a color wheel. It's crazy. Okay, the next thing I found was this Farmhouse, and it's really actually indented in there like real pieces of wood, and it gives the definition, which is pretty, but I have something else in mind. It was originally $29.99, and they had it clearanced for $7.49. I hope you can see that. I mean, if you are able to get to your Hobby Lobby, go. All right, then I saw this, and I just loved the shape of it. Now, it's not bad, cook, nourish, enjoy, but I have something else in mind. It was originally $19.99, and they had it clearanced for $4.99, and it's heavy. This is so pretty, so I picked that up. Then they had this, and like I said, you just have to go up and down the aisles because it's not all down that aisle like it normally is with clearance, and they have these red stickers, so that's really easy to tell. But this I thought was so cute. Here's the front, like this, and it looks like it opens, but it doesn't. This thing moves, but it doesn't open. But I think that is so pretty, and it was on clearance for $9.99. I just think this is so pretty. I wish it did open. It might. I don't know. I have to look at that. I bet it does open. It does open. There you go. Okay, so it does open. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Okay, but I love this. It's just so pretty. So I picked that up. Okay, and then this was 50% off. Lavender Farm, plants, blooms, gift shop, oils, all natural. I just thought that was so pretty. And it was originally $19.99, but it was 50% off. So I thought that was pretty good. And then, let me show you this. This was originally, I don't even know what it was originally. It doesn't even say. But it was reduced to $24.99. That is beautiful. I love it, and it is heavy. It says Grand Hotel Paris on it. I think that is gorgeous. I would hate to see how much that would cost if it wasn't on clearance. And then I'll show you why I went in there. Oh, something else I almost forgot. I get so excited. I saw this. This is so pretty with this and then all this scroll work. And I don't know how much it was originally, but it was clearance to $9.99. So I loved that. So this is what I ended up with, and I had to tell myself, just don't go insane. Just stay totally focused. Don't lose it. You can't get it all. And then they had so many cute things for fall. I mean, I know trust me, it is so hot here. Like I said, I just came in and I'm hot and sweaty and everything, but they have some really pretty things that they're starting to put out for fall, okay? But this is why I went in there. I wanted to get this color wheel. It was $12.99, but I wanted to use it with my coloring so that I can pick colors for one of my pictures that I'm going to be doing. So that's what started this whole mess right there. And then I got an eraser. I wasn't sure which one would be best for colored pencils, so I picked this one up. It was $1.29. And then they had this one, it was $1.99. So I picked those up. And then even check out in the art area, in the craft section, they have a lot of 75% off there too. Just look for these stickers. I couldn't believe it. This was originally $26.99, and I got it for $6.74, and it's the Tombow dual brush pens, and I love those colors. I was just so surprised to see that. I mean, I just bumped into that, okay? And then these are the last two things that I picked up. The reason I went were these two really pretty ribbons. This one is just a really pretty lavender, and then I loved these colors in here. So that's what I picked up. If you can make it to your Hobby Lobby, definitely go check it out. Because like I said, they have tons of sales going on. I mean, there were women in there with buggies piled, everything you can imagine. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this hopefully today, because I don't want you to miss out. If you have the opportunity, definitely go check out Hobby Lobby's 75% clearance sale. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.